discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.